Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 8th standard. The last class we have discussed the practical geometry. In this class we are going to see about the graph. Okay. Already known the number lines. Okay. Draw the horizontal line and the vertical line. Okay. The two lines are intersecting point is origin. This is O. Then the line x dash is called the x-axis. Then the line y dash is called the y-axis. Okay. Both x-axis and y-axis is called the coordinate axis. And also the plane has x-axis and y-axis. The plane is called the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. Okay. Then the sign. Then x coordinates of the point is positive along OX. They are all positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive value. So negative along OX dash. Okay. The -1, -2, -3, -4. That means so x coordinates of the point is positive along OX. So negative along OX dash. Then y coordinates of the points is positive along OY, negative along OY dash. Okay, I understood. So OX along is a positive, so along OX dash is the negative, the same manner. Then a point is denoted by pair A comma B. Here A and B are two numbers. Okay. Here A is represent the distance along the x-axis. Okay. Here A is represent the distance along the x-axis and B is represent the distance along the y-axis. This is x distance and this is the y distance. Okay. This is the ordered pair. Understood? A point is denoted by A comma B. A and B are two numbers. Then A is represent the distance along the x-axis and B is represent the distance along the y-axis. The two point A comma B is the ordered pair. Okay. Then the x coordinates is called as abscissa. Abscissa, and y coordinates is called ordinate. So another one name. X-axis is told, so abscissa, and y-axis is called the ordinate. Okay. Next, quaterns. Quaterns. The coordinate axis divide into the graph four region. The four region is called quaterns. The quaterns are named in anti-clockwise. This is the first quadrant. The second quadrant, the third quadrant, this is a fourth quadrant. Okay. The first quadrant region is X, O, Y. Okay, this is the first quadrant region. Then the second quadrant region is Y, O, X dash. Then third quadrant region X dash, O, Y dash. Then fourth quadrant region Y dash, O, X. Okay. This is the regions. The coordinate axis divide the graph into four region. Is called the quaterns. The quaterns names are given in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Then sign. This is plus. This is also plus. The first quadrant has plus comma plus, and second quadrant is the x value is minus and y value is plus. So x is first. So minus comma plus. Then third quadrant sign is minus, the y value is also minus. Okay, minus comma minus. Then the fourth quadrant x values are plus and y values are minus. Okay, the first quadrant sign is plus comma plus, second quadrant sign minus comma plus, third quadrant sign minus comma minus, fourth quadrant is plus comma minus. So the example 7 comma 4, suppose we get the point lies on the first quadrant because plus 7 plus 4 plus comma plus. Okay. So in case you have minus 2 comma 3 means the point lies on the second quadrant, minus comma plus value. Okay. So this is the quadrants and sign. Next, coordinates of the point on the axis means if y is equal to 0 means the coordinates x comma 0 is lies on the x axis. If y is equal to 0 means the coordinates x comma 0 lies on the x axis. The example is 2 comma 0. The point is 2 comma 0 means the y value is 0. Therefore, the point lies on the x axis. So 2 is there. So the point is, this is the 2 comma 0. The point lies on the x axis. Then if x is equal to 0 means the coordinates 0 comma y. So now x is 0. 0 comma y is lies on the y axis. Okay. If y is equal to 0 means the coordinate x comma 0 is lies on the x axis. If x is equal to 0 means the coordinates 0 comma y is lies on the y axis. The y axis example is 0 comma 2 means x is 0, y only given. So x is 0, y is 2. This is the 2. So 0 comma 2 is there. So the point is lies on the y axis. This point lies on the x axis. That's all. Have you understood? Okay. You have a axis x axis and y axis. Then the origin is 0 comma 0. Then the fourth quadrant and its sign. Plus comma, first quadrant is plus comma plus, second quadrant minus comma plus, third quadrant minus comma minus, fourth quadrant plus comma minus. Then the axis, if y is equal to 0 means the point lies on the x axis, x is equal to 0 means the point lies on the y axis. Understood? Okay, this one, exercise 3.8. The first question, fill in the blanks. Okay, the first subdivision, x axis and y axis intersect at the x axis and the y axis intersect at the origin. The origin point is 0 comma 0. Understood? Then the coordinates of the points in the third quadrant are always the third quadrant point. This is the first, this is second, and the third, this is fourth. The third quadrant points are minus comma minus. So minus represents the negative. So always negative. Okay. The coordinates of the points in the third quadrant are always negative. The x-axis and x coordinate and y coordinates are negative. Then third subdivision, 0 comma minus 5. Here y value only given. X is equal to 0 means the point lies on the y axis. Okay. 0 comma minus 5 point lies on the y axis. Okay. Cos x is equal to 0. Okay. Next fourth one, the x coordinate is always 0 on the y axis. So the reason is, if you mark here one point, the y axis value here, the x value is always 0. Okay. The x coordinate is always 0 on the y axis. So y axis on, say every point you mark in this line, we get the x value is 0. Here 0 comma minus 2. So here. So x value is 0 on the y axis. Okay. Then the fifth one, the x coordinates are the same for a line parallel to the y axis. The x coordinates are the same for a line parallel to the y axis. So this is a graph. So this is the y axis. Suppose you have x is equal to minus 3 means, so x is equal to minus 3 is there. So draw the line, vertical line. These two are parallel. Okay. Do not intersect at any point. And also the constant distance. Okay. Therefore, the x coordinates are the same for a line, parallel to the y axis. Okay, that's all. Have you understood the reason? Okay. The second question, say true or false. Say true or false. The second quadrant sign is minus comma plus. Okay. Here minus 10 plus 20. Okay. The condition was satisfied. So minus 10 comma 20. lies in the second quadrant. It is true. Okay. Then the second subdivision, minus 9 comma 0 lies on the x-axis. This is true or false. Consider the coordinates. Here y value is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 means the line lies on the x-axis. Yes. Minus 9 comma 0 lies on the x-axis. This is also true. Okay. Then the third one, the coordinates of the origin are 1 comma 1. It is wrong because the origin point is 0 comma 0. But here given 1 comma 1, so it is false. I understood the reason. Okay. That's all the true or false. Okay. Next, third question. Find the quadrant without floating the points on a graph sheet. Okay, without floating the points on a graph sheet. So just write the quadrants. The solution, the first one, 3 comma minus 4. The coordinates get plus comma minus. Plus. Consider the graph. This is the given question, 3 comma minus 4. The coordinates get plus comma minus. Plus comma minus lies on the fourth quadrant. Okay. The point lies on the fourth quadrant. Okay. Then consider the another one point, 5 comma 7. The two sign are plus. So plus comma plus is which quadrant? This is the first quadrant. So 5 comma 7, the point lies on the first quadrant. Understood? Then consider the another one, 2 comma 0. So here y value is 0. Therefore the point lies on the x-axis. Already know the condition. The point lies on the x-axis because y is equal to 0. Okay. Then minus 3 comma minus 5. The 2 points, the two numbers get negative sign. Okay. The two numbers get negative sign. So minus comma minus lies in the third quadrant. The point lies on the third quadrant. Okay. Then 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 3. This two number has plus comma minus. Plus comma minus is the fourth quadrant. The point lies on the fourth quadrant. Understood? Just consider the sign. Okay. Then minus 7 comma 2. Minus 7 comma 2 minus comma plus. Minus comma plus is the second quadrant. Therefore the point lies on the second quadrant. Okay. In this manner you find out this 3 sum. Okay. So write the quadrant. This is your homework. Okay, dear student. Next, fourth question. Float the following points in the graph sheet. Now use the graph sheet. Float the given points. Okay. Draw the horizontal and vertical line and also mark the axis. Origin x dash, y dash. Then also want to write the scale. Scale is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, this is the x-axis, each 1 centimeter is 1 unit. 1 unit. Then y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, here also now I am consider 1 unit. Okay. Scale is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then consider the point. The point A, 5 comma 2. This is the x distance, this is the y distance value. X comma y, 5 comma 2. The x value is plus 5 is there. Then take the y value 2 times, 2 units. So this is 2. So 5, 2. So 5 comma 2 is there. This is the name of the point A. Next, consider the point B, minus 7 comma minus 3. This is the x value, this is y. So distance of x value is minus 7. X minus 7 is there, minus 7. And y value is minus 3. Y minus values are there. So the corresponding value is there. Minus 7 comma minus 3. This is point B. Okay. So minus 7 comma minus 3. The point is B. Okay. Then C. Minus 2 comma 4. X is minus 2. Y is 4. X is minus 2. There. Minus 2. Then y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 is there. So minus 2. 4 line. Here. The minus 2 comma 4. This is the point C. Okay. Then point D, minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 is the first value is the x axis, so minus 1. Then y value is minus 1, so minus 1. These two lines are intersecting point is there. So minus 1 comma minus 1. This is the name of the point D. Then 0 comma minus 5. X is 0. Okay. Then y value is minus 5. Minus 5 is there. So 0 comma minus 5. This is the point of E. Then 2 comma 0. X value is 2, y value is 0. X is 2 there. Then y value is 0. So that's all. This is only considered. So 2 comma 0. This is the point of F. Next G, 7 comma minus 4. X is 7. X is 7. Then y is minus 4. So minus 4y is downward. So corresponding value is there. So 7 comma minus 4. The name of the point is G. Okay. Then H is minus 4 comma 0. X is minus 4 and y is 0. So don't consider the y value. This is minus 4 comma 0. The point lies on the x axis. Then I 2 comma 3. X is 2, y is 3. X is 2, y is 3. Plus 3. So the intersecting point is there. So 2 comma 3. This is the I. Then J 8 comma minus 4. X is 8. X is 8. Then y is minus 4. Y is minus 4. So here. So 8 comma minus 4. The name of the point is J. Okay. Then K 0 comma 7. X is 0 and y is plus 7. Here. 0 comma 7. The point is K. That's all. Have you understood how to plot the graph? This is very important. Okay. Okay, next, the fifth question. Use the graph to determine the coordinates where each figure is located. So every figure is located in the graph sheet. Okay. Just I am draw the 4 figures only. So remaining is your homework. Okay. The first question, A star. The point is star. First consider the x value. The star is 3 and 2. The star is located 3 comma 2. X value is 3 and y value is 2. So the star is located 3 comma 2. That's all the answer. Then the bird. This is considered the bird. So the bird lies on the x axis, also minus 2. So x value only have the y value is 0. Minus 2 comma 0. That's all. Then the red circle. This is considered is a red circle. So the x value is minus 2 and y value is corresponding y value is minus 2. So minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay, this is the answer. Then D is the diamond. It's a shape of diamond. The diamond value is x value is minus 2 and y value is plus 2. So minus 2 comma plus 2. This is the diamond point. In this slide, you do the remaining 6 points. Okay, the 6 points is your homework. We understood. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 111 and 112. 111, you have to try this, complete the table. Write the sign of x coordinates and write the sign of y coordinates, then write the quadrant. This is the try this. Then exercise 3.8, question number 3 and 5. The incompleted portion is your homework. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.